Let's take a look at how to create a presentation from a dynamic template. Dynamic templates are smart templates set up by your organization. They're designed to automatically pull in the right information so you spend less time building documents from scratch. To get started, go to the Templafy task pane on the right side and select New Document. From here, choose Browse Template. And did you know? You can find the same option in the ribbon or even in the home menu of the Office application you're using. Browse through the folders and templates your organization has made available to you. When you find the one you need, simply select it. If the template is a dynamic one, you'll be prompted with a form. Your answers are what drive the automation. Every field you fill in helps Templafy build the right document for you. Every template is different depending on what your admins have configured. Once you've completed the form, click Open in PowerPoint. Templafy takes your answers and builds a customized document. How much is automated depends on how your admins have set things up. Let's scroll through. Right away, the proposal is personalized with the customer's name and company. Further in, you'll notice AI-generated slides, written specifically for this proposal's context and audience. Here's a chart pulling live data from an external source, so it's always current without any manual updates. These slides, they were added because of the services we selected in the form. And at the end, the fee table has calculated everything automatically. And finally, a customer case study that was matched to our prospect's industry. No searching, no copy-pasting. Templafy selected it for us. That's dynamic templates, intelligent, automated, and built around the way your organization works.